Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall RawTherapee from your Windows PC or laptop. Whether you're removing the program to free up space, fix a problem, or install a newer version, the process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, make sure RawTherapee is completely closed. If it's still running, save your work, close the program, and end any related processes from Task Manager if necessary. Next, click the **Start** button and open *Settings**. Go to *apps**, then select *installed apps** or apps and features ***, depending on your version of Windows. Scroll through the list of installed programs until you find *RawTherapee**. Click on it, then select *uninstall**. When the confirmation message appears, click *uninstall** again to continue. The RawTherapee uninstaller will open. Follow the on-screen instructions and wait a few moments while Windows removes the program from your computer. Once the process is complete, click *Finish if prompted. After uninstalling, it's a good idea to restart your computer. This helps remove any temporary files that may still be in use. If you want to completely remove RawTherapee, you can also delete any remaining configuration or cache files from your user profile. This step is optional, but can be helpful if you're planning to perform a clean installation later. Finally, check the Start menu or the Installed Apps list to confirm that RawTherapee has been removed successfully. If you ever need the software again, you can simply download the latest version from the official RawTherapee website and install it, and that's it. You now know how to uninstall RawTherapee from your Windows PC or laptop. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.